Are you ready for this?
I think so. I'm not ready for this.
Confetti, nose slide everything.
Kickflip the 5?
Oh yeah.
First try, 20 bucks.
Deal.
All right, guys, we're super excited to be here outside. It's so weird. Fetty is like trying to block the sun in every way he can, but he can't. Can't block it for long. And we got a box.
Handle with care, Aaron.
Ow, that was the weakest box opening ever.
I know.
Wakeskate!
Wow.
Whoa.
So it's actually just like a legit Wakeskate.
No,
Have you seen how good people are on Wakeskates?
No.
Like they can do like ghetto birds and stuff, like on the water. It's crazy.
Lying.
No, they can do tray flips.
There's no
like,
tray
everything.
flip on a Wakeskate. Ah!
Oh, that looks
like Zoidberg.
unbelievable.
Yeah, check that.
Let's just go to the beach. We're gonna need to break this off, no? How are we gonna pop with that fin?
I'm sure it'll break off naturally in the process.
It's a natural break off.
we don't have to break it off, we just unscrew it.
My first, what do you call it? Impression is that this is a real bad shinner.
Oh yeah, look, it's pointed.
Who's gonna be the first kickflip?
Yeah, I doubled it up.
You're welcome. So
Wow, look at that.
I think that could be kickflip down the 5 for sure. Can we do a Braille goes to a swimming pool video?
why don't you stand up so you don't drill into your leg?
Don't tell me what to do, Fitty. Oh, my leg! This one might actually be my leg, though. Oh, my leg! It never gets old. This one might actually be my leg, though. Oh, my leg.
Right there.
You sure?
Yeah.
Oh my.
Okay, I hope you guys
Board will leave destruction in its wake.
don't wake me from my nap.
This is the first video of the day. I need everyone to wake up.
Hope you guys don't mind that. No big deal.
Just extra grip.
It's like if you just stick it into the bottom of your feet, you'll never lose the board.
It's true.
Hi!
It's hammer time.
You can skate it with those. Fetty.
There you go, Fetty.
Grab it, Carlos!
So much. There you go. You think it'll work? You think it's gonna break? You
I think we should just go to a pool.
Oh wow. It's the most stable board I've ever ridden.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, hold up. Oh, you got tricks for days on that, dude.
Months and years. I thought it was gonna bottom out. Kickflip first try? First try, what do you give me?
I'll give you an actual Jamba Juice.
Real?
Yeah. Oh, that's possible though. You know what I think every time I come to Fremont, Aaron?
Wow, it's really sunny. What's the sun like?
I just don't know how people actually skate with shadows. Let's get all you guys doing a kickflip off. So it's Carlos, Uzi, McNug, Fetty, Aaron, Nigel. You want to kickflip it?
I might try.
You might try, but I just want you to be careful.
So
'cause
whoever kickflips it first wins, right?
yeah.
In my argument, that's my first try of the day.
I've
okay?
never seen less commitment from you. Oh, there you go. Uzi's testing out the physics again.
Okay.
Yeah, boy.
That looks right. All right, you ready for this?
I think so. I'm not ready for this.
There's a secret to this. I'm not going to tell him what it is until I land it. But I'm going to land it right here, so I'll just tell him what it is. You ready?
Yeah.
This is first try.
Yeah! What? Ooh, did you get a shinner?
No. You gotta skate it backwards.
Whoa, Fetty just telling everybody the secret like secret sauce.
Nigel, you gonna try?
I tried a kickflip on my board and it did not feel good at all.
See that walk?
And you got way too much stuff in your pockets, dude.
Yeah, it's a phone.
Not only does he have stuff in his pocket, but he's skating in shorts.
Oh, yeah. Ow. I don't think this is a good idea.
That was actually better than most attempts, though. One more person has to land it, at least.
Almost hit me in the face, dude. It's like a bed, you know?
Let it be.
Oh.
Really?
I love how you landed like this.
I know.
Fetty, you're the last chance. Oh! You don't get wheel bite, you get edge drag.
Yeah.
Ah!
Come on, Fetty.
Yes! Ow!
The Aaron Hydro.
All right, Chris, there's a pool right here. That's a Wakeskate. You know.
I like how I'm the guy that's gonna try it. Okay.
Usually it's Nigel, but you know he has a pooled body.
No.
Oh, that was ballsy, man.
I thought he was dead.
You think so?
Yeah.
He gone.
Do it on the big side.
No.
Nigel, that's all you, my friend. What are you gonna do? No
No
slide?
slide.
Can Fetty nose slide everything? Can he continue his legacy? Hey, you missed Line X drift track yesterday, man. Yeah, go a little faster than that, I think.
Do you have your headphones in?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. I was worried for a minute.
Not only did he fall, but the bees were gonna get his ears.
The no bees will get inside of his ears.
I've known a guy named Charlie and he owned a horse once.
Okay.
One more try like that and I swear to God, boy. Oh! That's what I was thinking, maybe like start with a board slide.
I think I threw out my back.
Chris, you got the handrail?
Yes, I have it right here. Here it is.
On that?
No, I don't.
That was majestic.
I love how he like majestically slides down on his back. Like if that happened to me, my skull would be halfway down the stairs.
It's true.
Well, that counts as something.
Sick, dude.
Sick! Thank you.
The bails are so funny to watch. It just takes full control over your body. Oh!
That was kind of impressive. He did an impromptu board slide and then Troy dived out of the way. Miraculous timing.
There was a sticker and I got stuck on the sticker. Making waves at the skate park.
Oh, that's scary.
That almost took out your knees.
Where's the wax?
I feel like he needs a little bit of wax on it. Just a little bit of wax.
Carlos!
Oh.
Carlos, we need wax!
A couple more tricks while we're waiting for the wax. Wow, that's incredibly difficult. Wow.
That was the biggest 180 ever.
Whoa.
Look at this, Aaron.
I got skate tools, wax, grip tape, street signs, man, I got it all.
Cookies and cream Hershey's bars, though?
You're just gonna wax the board?
Yeah, brother. That's all you need.
No, all we have to do is wax the entire floor and it'll be just like the Braille house. I got
One
it.
question left unanswered. Can Fetty break it?
I could break anything, brother.
You got it, you got it! Oh! Wow!
Shut up, Pop.
Oh! Wow. Alright, hashtag notification squad, leave it in the comments below. How many tries did the no slide take? Winner gets a special prize package that you can only get as part of the notification squad. Yeah! Wow! Wow!
Get in line, brother. Let someone else get a turn before I try
Who wants to do a trick?
5.
Carlos wants to get the ball. Whoa, bro! Whoa! Hey,
Carlos.
call it out.
I can stink bug it.
What is a stink bug?
Don't ask, really, kind of what it becomes to at this point. You know what I mean?
That thing is heavier than him.
Yeah.
When he does it, he disappears from this angle. The board just covers all of Carlos.
What?
It felt like I was just gonna fall and then I just stood back up.
That was surprising. Yeah! I think you could do a regular manual and nose manual. I think you should try. Oh yeah.
Yeah,
You got
boy.
that. Oh yeah.
It's like more muscle mass than I've ever had to mass on my muscle. See, I don't know if I could hold it.
Just gotta go faster so you don't have to hold it as long.
Don't tell me how to speed.
Yeah!
No way. No manual.
Fetty, hit your blunt to fake you. I know you want to.
Oh dear.
Oh yeah. Get in there, Nigel.
All right, I'm getting some feeling back in my leg. That's all I got for today.
Oh! You're in the danger zone.
I know,
You know he
man.
grinds for
Oh.
like 10 years. That counts. What, fakie?
3 tries. And then I want to see if Uzi can ollie the cone.
Oh no.
He landed primo and then landed on his other leg.
What? Dang.
More hang time, I told you.
Hey, Uzi, Aaron has a quest for you.
Ollie over the cone.
You have to ollie over the cone.
I'll try. It doesn't. I don't think it's possible. But
Oh,
I'll
I
try.
think it is. You just got to go as fast as you possibly can.
I'll try it, brother.
Full send, Uzi!
Oh, you got that!
Get some more speed.
Himself with this thing.
I don't think it's
I
possible.
don't think so either.
Carlos, get on the front.
It's time, brother. Kickflip the 5.
Oh yeah.
First try.
First try, 20 bucks.
Deal.
Ow, the shins. Aaron, you think he's got this?
I know he's got this.
I'm landing it.
Don't you ever doubt my boy, Cruz!
Yeah!
If you ride that ball just a little bit longer, we would have got it, buddy boy.
That's literally exactly how I pictured
Do it
it.
like this.
Check out all the other videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn how to skateboard. Never give up. Let's go. Let's do this.